are traditional festivals in England. They are not only having different stories about this festival history, but also have many interesting celebratory activities. Halloween is a celebration in a number of countries on 31 October. This festival is the Western Christian feast of All Hallows Day. It begins the 3-day activity of All Hallows Time to remembering the dead. Halloween activity including trick-or-treating, attending Halloween costume party, cutting pumpkin into jack-o'-lantern, lion bonfire, apple puppet, the Asian game, visit haunting attraction, telling scare story and watching horror films. And the most popular one is trick-or-treating. People will cosplay different looks and clock and a doll and say trick-or-treating, and you need to give them sugar. It is an interesting communication between adults and children. Bonfire Night is an annual commemoration on 5 November in Great Britain. Its history began with the event of 5 November 1605, when Guy Fawkes, a member of Gunpowder Plot, was arrested while guarding its pursuit. The porters had played beneath the House of Lords, celebrated the fact that King James I had survived the attack of his life. People lit bonfire around London. Now, Bonfire Night is become a day of enjoy fireworks. This year, I went to London and weekend of Bonfire Night, and the fireworks was lit in different places at least 3 days.